Hey, welcome to M Puzzles and Builds. In this video, we're going to be doing this flower floret jigsaw. It looks super colourful. I think it'll be pretty nice once it comes together. As far as I can see from the box, this comes from The Works, which is a local store here in the UK. I'm not sure if it's a widely available jigsaw, but that's all I can tell from the box anyway. Let's get started. What's up? First update time, order's done. Quite a bit of the inside's already done from pretty obvious things as I was taking all of the pieces out and sorting them into colours. Orange, blues, pinky purples, reds, whites, greens, obvious pinks from this side. Mostly bird, mostly butterfly. House. Well, yeah. Barn. But, yeah. I feel like this is a pretty positive start for an hour. I'm just going to crack on, do a little bit more, see where we get to. I'm not expecting to be finished tonight because I started this later than usual, but I want to hopefully get a big chunk into it. Anyway, let's continue. Well, here we are at 3 hours 3 minutes in. Complete. Really wasn't expecting to be done this quick. Once I started getting going there, like the momentum just kept carrying me, and yeah, finished. That was a really fun one. Maybe the easiest one I've done for a long time now. So I'm very happy with that. What do you guys think of it? Did you enjoy it? I really like the colours, and I'm quite a fan of hummingbirds. I think they're brilliant animals, so it's nice to see all the different hummingbirds that are in the Jigsaw. Also, another one with nature in it that has a lot of butterflies. Something about butterflies in nature, isn't there? I suppose when it comes to flowers. Anyway, I'm rambling. This is maybe going to be a short video. 10 minutes long maybe at most. I'll be doing one more 500 piece jigsaw, and then it's going to be the next big one. A 2000 piece. The second last of the 4 that I've been given a shot of. Looking forward to it. Hope to see you there.